The purpose of the instruction component is to guide you as you guide your students through the unit focus, TEKS concepts, essential vocabulary, and more. It offers students an opportunity to learn and apply concepts, receiving immediate feedback at appropriate levels of support. Let's take a look at the instruction component in the next few videos. With ThinkUp ELAR, we provide you with the support you need to scaffold instruction until a high success standard is just a part of the everyday classroom routine. The term guided instruction implies that you and your students will be working together to reach those new learning targets before moving on to the assessment piece. Guided instruction helps students use their thinking skills to build and retain knowledge. It places you in the facilitator seat and gives students a more active role, allowing them to take ownership of their learning journey. Each unit provides a brief single text or paired texts that offer an appropriate context for instruction and the application of new knowledge. During the guided instruction lesson, debriefing is an incredibly powerful practice for solidifying new learning. It gives students the practice to power through the application of newly learned concepts with the confidence that scaffolds offer. Teachers help students think through how to answer questions using their new knowledge and deep thinking. This approach helps students see how their thinking and their knowledge work together. Students read and restate the item stem, strategize approaches to answering questions logically, and confirm answers using contextual knowledge. Giving students the chance to build schema is critical to comprehension of text. ThinkUp ELAR offers students an introductory activity that engages a student's prior knowledge, helps them to begin the process of linking new ideas to familiar ones, and establishes a purpose for reading the unit text. It also levels the playing field across different student backgrounds and experiences. Without vocabulary development, comprehension is stalled. A student's ability to gather meaning using context, word structure, or background knowledge is one of the most closely connected indicators of comprehension success. ThinkUp ELAR equips you with activities that teach words in a way that is relatable to students. The first word list includes words from the text selection that students may find conceptually challenging, and the second lists vocabulary related to the unit focus. Our intent for this section was to specify the TEKS within Strand 1 that require teachers to introduce and instruct students in the concepts and skills of word structure knowledge, and that require students to practice and master concepts and skills, including phonological awareness, phonetic knowledge, spelling knowledge, and print awareness. ThinkUp content supports teachers as they instruct in these word structures directly and explicitly. Even as students begin to transition from the learning to read stage to using reading as a tool, they continue to need support and practice in foundational language. It helps students make that critical connection that their understanding of foundational skills continues to support their comprehension of increasingly complex text. Students are invited to reflect on their learning experience at multiple points during each unit. During reflection, students are invited to think metacognitively about their developing thinking processes and how their deeper levels of thinking are leading them to mastery. Students reflect both on the learning they have achieved as well as ways critical thinking practice is helping them reach new levels of understanding. Your Teacher Edition offers example responses should students need guidance until the reflective process becomes more comfortable.